Howdy everyone, SD Mountain Man. So I got a product here from, I was calling it Zoekim. I think it's Zoekim. It's a 60, this is the one they sent me, is a 60-piece wool star cleaning pads. And what it is these little felt pads that clean your AR-15 or your M16 up in there where the bolt carrier group, the actually bolt goes into locking lug deal, cleans that locking lug area. I tell you what, the one I got here we're going to try this out on isn't real dirty because all it does, I don't know, 10-15 rounds just to kind of sight the scope in a little bit, or the sight in a little bit. My one pistol was in the last video. But what it comes with is, this is 60 of these little pads and this little brass adapter deal that goes right in your gun cleaner. And it's got the one section for a 223 or 22. And we're going to put this thing together. There's a tiny little nut. Yeah, tiny little nut on the end. Just slide that on, like that. If I don't drop it and lose the nut. There we go. And I had some Hoppies number 9 back here in the garage, but I must have used it, or I don't know, I can't find it, whatever. So we're gonna cheat, and we're just gonna do this for right now. Like I said, it's not that, I'm gonna soak that up a little bit. And I tell you what, this is the slickest doggone idea. Just slide it in there. Safety Sally's, obviously nothing in there. I'm putting this in there. It goes right in, it fits right in that doggone star area, and you can spin that around. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully I can try and show that. Maybe not. Maybe it's in there. Basically it just spins right around that area. And you pull it back out. Yeah, it wasn't very dirty. The barrel's dirtier than I thought it was, but get that lined up, stick it in there, and swizzle that around, and it cleans that area up. I tell you what, I really wish I had something like that when I was in the military. That would have been slick. Because them doggone armors, anybody's been in the military, them doggone armors, they're picky. If you don't get it clean, they're not happy. So yeah, basically what it's doing is cleaning where this is your bolt. Here's your bolt carrier group. That's your bolt, your firing pin in there. And that's where a bunch of that stuff gets in that tight little corners in there. And I'll tell you what, that, I suppose if I had some actual cleaner instead of WD-40, it might have got a little more off of it. But like I said, I've only had probably 15, maybe 20 rounds run through it. So anyway, that's that. I'll see if I can't figure out a link, give you a link to them, and then yeah, go check it out, see what you think. I got another product from them coming, or 2 more products from them coming too yet. One was on back order, and I think another one's coming this week. So go check that out. Appreciate it. Love doing reviews on stuff like this. Anyway, take care everybody. Have a great week. SD Mountain Man out.